Have you ever heard of double knitting? It's a knitting technique that looks a little bit like magic. This winter season, we're going to be exploring double knitting, which creates a fully reversible mirror image fabric on each side, like so and like so. You can see it's an actual front of fabric on each one, and you're going to be knitting it at the same time. So both layers are being worked at the same time. It's a really fascinating technique that creates a very thick, plush, cozy fabric that really is a little magic. The first time I explored double knitting, it was on something very simple. It was on my Cruinne cardigan, the belt. I created a single colour double knitting. And that is probably the most straightforward way you can create double knitting, because you're only working every second stitch. So you're going to knit a stitch, and then the next stitch, which belongs to the other side of the fabric, you bring the yarn in front and you slip it, and you do that every second one. And when you turn to the other side, you're using the same colour, but you are going to be knitting the other colour that had been slipped and slipping the other. So it's a little bit like brioche, but you're not putting a yarn over on the needle, you're just bringing the yarn in front and slipping it. So what it means at the end is you can actually pull both layers of those fabric apart. So the very start of this is like this. It creates a single colour fabric that you can fully pull apart. So that is the first colour, that the first style or way of double knitting that you're going to be creating with this. So what this pattern is in our winter seasons is called the Cruinne cowl. I'll open it up here. It's designed by Eimear Earley, and it is worked flat in one piece, and you have got the ability to, it's long enough that you can use it as a scarf, a short scarf, or you can wrap it twice as a cowl and button them together. So that makes it very straightforward to actually work, because you're doing it flat and you can really focus on the knitting as you're working through and learning how to do the double knitting. So the name Cruinne means universe, and you can see you've got the spirals, and it was something that Eimear is really fascinated, and me actually as well. The idea of spiraling works that just go around and interconnect into each other. And it's quite incredible the way they two flip and show the inverse on the other side. So as I was saying, you start off with a single colour work here, where you're working one colour, same on both sides, and so you're slipping every second stitch. Then the next thing you're going to work into, I'll move over here because it begins here, is two colours. So on this side you have the brown, and on that side you have the blue. So you're doing that on one side, so you're actually going to be knitting a stitch, bring both yards in front, and with the second colour you're going to purl, and you do all that across. When you move into the colour work, you've got a colour work chart where stitches are worked in pairs, where for each one you see, you're knitting the colour you see on the front, and you're going to purl the other colour. So you're moving the yarn back and forth. So a large part of what we're going to actually cover in the winter seasons is yarn management, different ways of doing it, how you can move the yarn back and front. Eimear did an awful lot of experimentation with ways that she found it easier to work. She used, first of all, with her colour, tried with standard stranded with yarn in each hand, then found that the yarn over one finger, either the right or the left hand, worked best. And then eventually we moved into a yarn guide, very simple yarn guide that makes things far easier. So if you get the full seasons club, you're going to get the yarn, you'll get some crafty goodies. There may be a yarn guide, I'm not saying anything, to actually help you with how to work it. And I'll show you different ways with the right and the left hand and how you can manage all those as you go through. So the digital version, you'll get all of the pattern workshops, you'll get the pattern, you'll get access to a Zoom launch party where you can ask Eimear all the questions, and you get access to a private forum. If you get the full club, you're also going to get a delivery of a package which will have the yarn, enough yarn for this for that longer cowl. So 2 skeins of each colour, and you get to pick one of the colour options. So the first one are these 2 colours, which is going to be the seasonal colour option. The next 2, which the sample is knitting, are these 2 colours, and that's our bright colour option. And the final one is the subtle colour option, which is these two. So that's all you need to put down in your order, where you put in either seasonal, bright, or subtle, and you get enough yarn to make the cowl and the craft goodies. You could either buy it as a single installment if you just buy that particular one, or you can opt to get a discount where you join a rolling subscription. It's the same for the digital club. You can actually opt to jump in for a rolling subscription where you'll get a discount for it as well. Now, we are doing something a little different with this one, because previously we had our clubs spaced 3 months apart. This time round, we're moving them to 4 months apart. So the pattern for this is going to launch on the 1st of December, hence the Winter Seasons Club, and you'll have 4 months to work on it before the next one comes out. Now, there are only going to be a couple of weeks where you can actually opt in. The 14th of October is when it closes, so we have enough time to gather the yarn, ship everything out to you, and to allow you to prepare and actually get everything ready to join. So if you want to learn more details, then just drop down below and you can add a comment and find all of the links that you want down there. So come join us this winter for the Winter Seasons Club. It's going to be a lot of fun with all of this double knitting.